Hello all friends, I'm Wu Yangxi, the product recommender of the Skid steel loader in this global new product launch. Next, I will introduce the new Skid steel loaders for global users. Skid steel loader is one of the major models of XCMG loading machinery. For the earliest XT series to the Key series and to the new generation XC7 series, the product family is well developed and further expanded. With advanced and reliable performance, maybe there are still some friends in our live streaming chat room who know little about or are presented with Skid steel loaders for the first time. Let me give you a brief introduction here. Skid steel loader, also known as multifunctional generation vehicle, is a special wheeled chassis device that can turn 316 degrees in place with a difference in the linear speed of the wheels on both sides. It allows fast replacement or attachment of working drivers to adapt to specific working conditions and operations. This loader is mainly applied to pavement construction and cleaning, snow removal in winter, construction engineering, forestry, agriculture, and gardening and landscaping. For site preparation to project completion, the Skid steel loader is designed with the concept of one machine with multiple functions for various purposes. It can be attached with more than 100 kinds of implements, satisfying all customers' needs. Now, come back to our specific product introduction. The new generation XC7 series Skid steel loader launched globally today includes three main segments: wheeled skid steel loader, tracked skid steel loader, and electric skid steel loader. Wheeled skid steel loader is the principal model of XCMG Skid steel loader. Our product family covers different tonnage in the range of 0.3 ton to 1.3 ton and is mainly suitable for operations on solid surface, such as rock, asphalt, concrete, and paved road, with distinct advantages in terms of price, controllability, speed, and maintenance expenses. It is popular with the massive users. XC7 TV10 and XC7 TV12 are the representative models of XCMG tracked skid steel loader. It is superior to the wheeled skid steel loader in terms of ground adaptability due to its strong road holding capacity and low ground contact pressure. It is widely applied to lawn greening, pipeline trenching, bush clearing, drilling, seedling transplanting, forest fire prevention, and other working conditions. In particular, its performance is more outstanding when used on more severe or muddy ground. It is an irresistible trend to use green new energy. Our XC7 SRO-7E electric skid steel loader is featured by high transmission efficiency, long battery life, and short recharging time. It is applicable to animal husbandry, construction, schools, hospitals, food manufacturing, and other places with high requirements for environmental protection. First, XC7 SRO7, the new generation flagship model of XCMG, is a cost-effective skid steel loader for light industrial. With a rated load of 0.89 tons and an overall working weight of only 2.95 tons. It is featured by small size, high rated load, excellent trafficability, and high working efficiency. It can output an auxiliary flow of up to 79 liters per million to the implements, enabling their operation. When equipped with a 72-inch sweeper for road cleaning. It can achieve higher cleaning efficiency and excellent performance, which is well received by users. Let's take a look at its configuration. The engine power of this loader is 35.5 kW, which is a great choice for customers who want to have a power of less than 15 horsepower. It is designed with a commonly used drive mode in the industrial. That is, the engine directly drives the hydraulic pump, making its transmission efficiency more efficient and reliable. Take another look at the transmission system of the vehicle. The spoket transmission cases on both sides are integrated with the frame, saving the space and making the overall structure more reliable. The XC7 series skid steer loader is also equipped with a more robust transmission power shifting and high-strength fully sealed runner bearing, which can equalize better performance in case of vibration and shock load. Compared with ordinary chains, its high-strength elliptical chains, along with thickened side chain plant and hardened pin, are more reliable. The wheel-to-wheel rim design eliminates the need for attention every 215 hours, like the assembled rim. In terms of reliable, the SR07 is designed with a one-piece frame, and the important load-bearing part is reinforced to withstand torsional and impact loads under various complex working conditions with excellent performance. To further extend the service life of structural members, the SR07 is fitted with a boom of higher bearing capacity, and each articulated pin of the implement is also provided with higher strength. The main wear-prone parts of the bucket are made of the high-strength, wear-resistant planks, creating a reliable structure. During use, vehicle maintenance and the necessary repair are indispensable. The XC7 series skid steer loader is optimized for its maintenance design, making the maintenance space sufficient. For example, if you want to service the front hydraulic system, you only need to remove 2 bolts of the cam and then lift the cam up. I'd like to ask my colleague to help me open it. Now, let's have a look. All the pipes are accessible and there is enough space to operate tools and all maintenance points. The rear and upper covers of the engine bay can be completely opened, so you can reach all the maintenance parts just by standing in the rear of the engine bay. It is actually convenient for maintenance. If the electric system breaks down, there is nothing to worry about. All the insurance systems are arranged within your reach. So most of the troubleshooting can be done without even getting out of the cable or removing any parts. The centralized fuse box is also located in a quickly removable trim at the back of the seat, so you can easily troubleshoot electric faults. You don't have to worry about hydraulic system failure either. A quick AC hole is designed for all XC7 series skid steer loaders. It is located on the right side of the vehicle. This is our unique centralized pressure measuring system. If you can easily detect and analyze all hydraulic system failures with a pressure gauge. After introducing XC7 SR07, we will introduce another similar product, XC7 XR08. It's very similar to XC7 SR07 in terms of appearance and volume. They are products of the same platform. Compared with XC7 SR07, XC7 SR08 is favored by higher rated load, stronger power, high auxiliary flow output to implements, and a wider range of applications, so it can better satisfy the higher needs of customers. XC7 SR08 skid steer loader is equipped with 4 counterweights with a rated load of 0.95 tons and an overall weight of 3.21 tons. It can output 2 kinds of flow rate for implements. One is a standard flow rate of 79 liters per minute, and the other is a large flow rate of up to 125 liters per minute through the combined boom. The customer only needs to switch to the high flow output by one button in the camp. Therefore, the SR08 can be equipped with a wider range of implements. This product is widely applied to agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, construction, roads, public works, and other fields. It can be equipped with a variety of implements to complete the pasture operations more efficiently. So it is more popular in the livestock industry. Next, we will present you the hydraulic system design of XC7 series skid steer loader through the SR08. Its main components, such as hydraulic travel pump and travel motor, are all the internationally known brands. Under Polite hydraulic control, the whole vehicle is sensitive and accurate in all operations. It is also equipped with automatic lifting and leveling function to achieve automatic buoyant leveling during boom lifting, making the operation smooth and efficient. An anti-flame out function is designed for the hydraulic system. Under overload, the hydraulic system can automatically regulate the power to maintain the optimal torque matching between the hydraulic pressure and the engine. It can prevent the engine from flame out due to excessive load, reduce engine power loss, and also ease the fatigue and burden of the operator. The matching of implement and interface is very important for the skid steer loader. Take this SR08 as an example. It is fitted with an international standard quick change frame, making the loader more versatile and matched with more different implements to help you complete more work. What's more, it has a combined self-relieving quick change copper, which is convenient for connection. The boom is equipped with a fixture to prevent damage to the quick change coupler caused by pipe displacement during the operation of the implement. We have a variety of machines and tools which can basically meet your needs. Moreover, in order to prevent damage to the combined quick change coupler by falling objects, XCMG new generation skid steer loader is equipped with quick change coupling protector, which is more safe and reliable. The instrument control plug-in is more universal. It is a 14-pin connector with high universality in the industrial, which is compatible with the products of most manufacturers to the greatest extent. The right handle in the camp is equipped with a runner and a lock button. The runner can control the output flow of the implement proportionally. The lock button behind the runner can lock the flow and the seat runner position, especially when operating the 4-in-1 bucket and another implements. The performance is better. Are you all slightly tired at this time? Let's have a rest. We prepare a video of the skid steer loader challenging the impossible. It is absolutely wonderful. Let's have a look. Welcome back to the live broadcast of our product launch. Up next is XC7SR10, one of our top sellers. The product's rated capacity is up to 1.1 tons, making it a heavy-duty loader with outstanding efficiency. Its engine is just as powerful, with 61.3 kilowatt displacement, but also noted for economic fuel consumption. Its standard output is 95 liters per minute, but could reach as high as 142.5 liters per minute, and can easily handle planer and other heavy machinery, gives the machine incredible versatility. Previously, I've already introduced the features of many new platform products. Next, let us check out the comfortable cab of the XC7SR10. We have upgraded the cab of the skid steer loader, and to ensure maximal comfort, we have looked into every detail. The first thing you'd notice is concave-shaped door with special ceiling strip, as well as a tighter window design that ensures better seal. Even when the machine operates in dusty and sandy environment all day long, the cab is able to remain clean and comfortable. In addition, sound insulation is excellent. When the door and the window are closed, the design of the cab of the XC7SR10 followed human ergonomic principles, and the spacious interior gives you a ton of legroom. We have equipped the new skid steer loaders of the XC7 series with mechanical levitating seat and 2-inch wide seat belt. The upper right-hand corner of the cab is a 4.3-inch corner display, through which user can directly check the vehicle's status and fault diagnosis, as well as configuring system parameters. If you have even higher demands, XCMG's new generation of skid steer loaders offer 7-inch corner touchscreen upgrade that includes functions such as vehicle backup, camera and video, and music playback, giving user an even more upscale experience. Let us look deeper into the interior of the cab. The frame utilizes uniform cross-section special-shaped pipe in constructing a cab that fully satisfies both rollover protective structure and falling object protective structure safety requirements to ensure safety of the vehicle and operator. When seated inside the cab, the field of the view is fantastic. XCMG's new generation of skid steer loaders are built with ultra-thin vertical columns that don't sacrifice strength and integrity while significantly reducing obstruction, thereby improving safe operation by providing more expansive view. With the rear wheel mirror towards the front inside the cab and curved side view mirrors mounted to the side of the loader arms provide 316 degrees view inside the cab, alleviating any worries about collisions or another accidents arising from compact space of the vehicle. Furthermore, available on demand are radio and other entertainment add-ons to enhance ease and comfort during the most arduous works. When operating our new skid steer loaders, there is no need to worry about temperature outside, because the vehicles have been outfitted with air conditioning and optimized interior air duct design that comes with a maximum of 8 outlets. What's more, the windshield defrosting function ensures sound forward view even on frosty days. Let us look down to our feet. Check out the unique legroom design. Finally covered in leather, it feels great to the touch even on hot and cold days, minimizing discomfort from significant temperature difference when your bare skin happen to make contact with camp interior under extreme temperature. The filth under the leather enables easy dismantlement and cleaning. At the same time, one-piece wall crossing joint is used for the cape and the frame wire harness, improving installation convenience, usage reliability, and waterproofness. Camp comes outfitted with fire extinguisher, emergency hammer, etc., and the rear emergency escape window features detachable seal strip that may be removed to dislodge the window in case the window doesn't open. There is a red button next to the loader arm control joystick on the right. It serves as a shortcut to turn off the loader arm so that it could drop even when the vehicle malfunctions. This ramps up the showcase of our skid steer loader today. Of course, XCMG offers a wide range of skid steer loaders in different models and specs, covering various configurations and capacities, such as vertical skid steer loader, corner skid steer loader, electric skid steer loader, and ultra-compact skid steer loader with 0.385 tons rated capacity to meet your different needs. For more details, please reach us at XCMG Wheel Loader on our Facebook page or YouTube channel, or send us a message by email at sale@xcmg.com, or contact your local dealer to book a test drive. This concludes my presentation today. Thank you for your time.